Salle Holy Cross College is a faith-based school that puts our children at the centre of everything we do. We are an amalgamation of Salle College and Holy Cross Convent. This dual-charism forms the basis of our ethos of offering holistic, progressive and relevant education.
From grade RR to grade 12, we are one college, with a shared vision and a clear direction, which is embedded in a closely knit community, which is unique to our school and forms the supportive culture that exists at Salle Holy Cross College.
We're equipping our children to interact effectively with the 21st century, to be motivated to give of their best, and to be first that they may be of service. This ethos is what makes our college very special.
It really is about that personal touch. If you bring your child to a school, you want someone to know your child, you want someone to be in contact with you, you want open communication channels, and you want your child to be valued and their story to be shared.
We have always been immensely proud of our heritage, and we are just as excited about our future. We are focused on meeting the growing demands of today's education by constantly rethinking and developing our offerings to allow our children as many opportunities as possible to participate, explore, learn and shine. As a leading independent co-educational Catholic school in Johannesburg, we follow the Independent Examination Board syllabus. Our tuition is from grade RR to matric in 3 phases, with bespoke offerings and campus structures suited to the needs of these very different developmental ages.
The model of our school is structured in a way where it caters for the needs of all children and accompanies them through an environment that we know is exciting, demanding, yet one where they can get more than just an educational experience from.
Our approach is innovative and caters for the individual needs of each child, reinventing classroom time, creative and exciting teaching methodologies, updating the way pupils are assessed, improving facilities, and ensuring a holistic environment are all ways in which we are meeting the needs of our children.
The junior school runs from grade RR up until grade 6, and then the children move into a junior high model. So we really are in a position where we're able to focus developmentally on what children need as children.
Our junior school is a place of dynamic learning. From grade RR, where we learn through play, discovery and example, right through to our grade 6s, who are encouraged to develop critical thinking and lively debate.
A lot of what we do includes not only a philosophy of learning, but it's also about how do our policies and procedures align to that. One of the critical things about our junior school is creating a sense of welcome and belonging for children that come to us.
Our junior school is an environment where curiosity is sparked, children discover for themselves, and the motivation to inquire and learn becomes intrinsic.
We are a project-based environment, so a lot of what we do is very hands-on and it's experiential.
Our grade 7s move across to the high school campus, where they have their own junior high department. There is a huge developmental jump at this age, and we have found that this model offers a supportive bridge between the comfort of junior school and the exciting demands of high school.
Our pupils are taught and nurtured in a way that is relevant to these challenging but exhilarating years. They learn to accept more personal responsibility and develop mature academic and emotional practices whilst still having fun.
The senior high of our college is consistently in the top national IB rankings, with exceptional resources, committed educators, and support beyond the classroom.
Our senior pupils are guided and equipped to be the best they can be and to succeed in the futures they envision. We nurture excellence, leadership, creativity, and individuality to facilitate their personal development into adulthood.
I love teaching teenagers. They have this natural need to know more and to question and challenge the thinking around them. We encourage their debate. We discuss topics openly within the context of our ethos, and I believe that equips them better to navigate the world beyond our campus.
Our educational philosophy is to promote independent, creative and critical thinking, to develop a solutionary mindset. We aim to start a lifelong love of learning, offering a world-class education to future-proof children for their respective journeys. Through real-life learning that is project and inquiry-based and child-centered classroom time, We create opportunities for children to be able to query, apply knowledge, and express themselves freely.
Every child is given the opportunity to do their best, to be themselves, and to really strive to reach their potential.
We value more than just our academic results. The spiritual, social, moral, physical, and emotional development of our children are all prioritized. Our pastoral care is a key differentiator in what our college offers.
In an ever-demanding and stressful world, we respect the dignity of all and take the pressures of being a modern child seriously, providing a breadth and depth of support.
You have to really meet the needs of children before you can even start to educate them. From that point of view, it's not just about being physically safe, it's about being psychologically safe and being socially happy, and then you can actually start the learning process.
While our faith is the central pillar of support, our wellness center and on-campus support teams continue to grow. Various types of learner support, counseling, therapies for children and their families, as well as peer-to-peer counseling are freely available. Our intention is for every child to feel seen, heard and included, and equipped with the tools to cope and thrive in a genuinely holistic environment.
Being involved is a big part of what it means to be a Salle Holy Cross College pupil. Our pupils are encouraged to participate in a wide range of activities beyond the classroom.
The focus is on participation, competency, and enjoyment to develop well-rounded children with diverse skills and relationships. On the field, in the pool, on the court, in the nets, on the road, and in the air, year-round our college is a hive of sporting and co-curricular activity. We offer specialized coaching, ensuring our teams are competitive at an inter-school level, with many of our sportsmen and women achieving provincially and nationally. We offer sporting opportunities for all, including those involved just for the love of the game. We encourage everyone to join in on our fun sports days with mixed teams, often including parents, teachers, and alumni, building community-wide relationships on and off the field. If the spotlight is your thing, our diverse and multidisciplinary arts and culture program provides ample opportunity to shine. We participate and excel in inter-school and national competitions in a variety of cultural areas, including debating, public speaking, drama, pipe band, marimba band, music, choir, and chess, achieving high acclaim. We also provide many non-competitive platforms for all our pupils to take center stage and have their moment, from annual school productions to social talent evenings and much more.
Faith in the presence of God, of an inclusive community, of having respect for all people, concern for the poor and social justice, and an emphasis on quality education. These principles are so much more than an academic curriculum. It is a moral compass and a lifelong learning experience that goes beyond education.
We live by our school motto, "Be first that you may be of service." We instill in our pupils an active commitment to serving others and the community, sharing hope and optimism for the future. We challenge ourselves to be accountable to each other and the community as a whole, and we expect our pupils to be meaningful, authentic, and relevant to others in our society at large.
The proverb that it takes a village to raise a child is what sets our college apart. It's a sense of community that one feels when one comes to the school. There is an active connection with one another.
Working together with families, bringing families into our school so that we're actually a community.
The community spirit and the interaction amongst all stakeholders at the college is at the heart of all that we do. It is something that is unique to our school, and I believe an experience that needs to be shared beyond the walls of Salle Holy Cross College.
Our college is blessed with the richness of its deeply committed staff, parents, pupils, and alumni, working together to uphold our Catholic ethos and core values, supporting and encouraging every child who walks our corridors.
The opportunities that Salle Holy Cross College has to offer are exciting, they're relevant, and they're diverse. And we would like to share these experiences with families who are drawn towards a faith-based and child-centered learning environment.
We look forward to welcoming new families into the Salle Holy Cross College community and discovering more opportunities to provide not only excellent but relevant, holistic and meaningful education. for the children entrusted to our care.